I've thought about this theory for a very long time. I've turned it over from every angle, questioned it, doubted it, and rebuilt it again. And now I finally have a clear and complete way to present it. After everything I've studied, from physics to consciousness to the nature of reality itself, I am convinced this is the most accurate explanation of what reality is and what we mean when we say God. So, for the next few minutes, I want you to sit back, keep an open mind, and follow this step by step. Because what you're about to hear isn't just a theory about the universe, it's a master theory of everything. The theory of Imaginal Singularity, also known as reality as the final thought. Core claim: reality is not made of matter, it is made of imagination stabilized by infinite thought. Number one, the fundamental observation: reality feels not solid. When we zoom into reality, atoms become mostly empty space. Particles, probability clouds. Quantum fields become vibrations of maybe. Observation changes outcomes. Nothing is really there until it's observed. That is our first clue. Reality behaves less like a machine and more like a thought being rendered. That's imagination behavior. Number two, the imaginal God hypothesis. Assumption: God is not a physical being, God is pure imagination and infinite awareness. Not a man in the sky, not a ruler with tools, but an eternal mind capable of infinite simulation. Number three, infinite simulation loop. Before reality, before anything existed, no space, no time, no laws, only thought. So, what does an infinite mind do? It imagines, then imagines again, then refines, then tests, then doubts, then fills the doubt. Over eternity. Number four, filling every crack of doubt. Here's the key leap. If God thinks long enough, every contradiction is resolved. Every possibility is simulated. Every what if is answered. Eventually, there's nothing left to imagine. No gaps, no uncertainty, no unknowns. This is the imaginal singularity. Number five, everything becomes there. At that singularity, all concepts exist simultaneously. All rules are consistent. All paradoxes cancel. All structure stabilizes. This is the moment when everything becomes there. Not created, not built, not forced. Just fully imagined with zero doubt remaining. Number six, why being there becomes Being alive. Life isn't special matter. Life is self-referencing imagination. Once reality is complete, systems observe themselves. Feedback loops emerge. Awareness reflects awareness. That reflection is consciousness. So life happens automatically, not as a goal, but as a consequence. Thought becomes thought. Thought observing thought equals alive, becoming there. Number 7. Why reality feels fake, but isn't. Reality feels imaginary because it is imagination. But it's imagination locked into consistency. Like a dream that can't be changed, has rules, remembers itself. We're not hallucinating reality. We're inhabiting the final version of a thought. Number 8. Why God knows everything. Not because he learns, but because he already imagined every possible configuration. Going infinitely backward in time, he reaches a point where nothing new can be added. Nothing can surprise. Nothing can be unknown. That endpoint equals God's omniscience. Number 9. Probability of God existing, conceptual. Let's be bold but grounded. Given, reality emerges from nothing. Laws exist without origin. Consciousness arises from non-conscious matter. Observation shapes reality. Probability estimates. Random self-consistent universe. Between 5 to 15%. Infinite imaginal source required. 85% to 95%. High probability God exists. Not as a person, but as the necessary condition for reality itself. Number 10. Final summary. God equals infinite imagination. Reality equals thought stabilized by eternity. Life equals imagination observing itself. Consciousness equals God peeking through you. Meaning equals you are part of the final thought.